Tired of looking like you're video conferencing from the Stone Age? Let's transform your Canon EOS R100 into a professional-grade webcam in just a few simple steps, dramatically improving your video quality for clearer, sharper online interactions. First, ensure you have your Canon EOS R100. Its interface cable Y-Euro, that's the cable that came with your camera Y-Euro and a computer. Next, navigate to the Canon website and download the EOS Webcam utility software. This free software acts as the bridge between your camera and your computer. Once downloaded, follow the on-screen instructions to install the EOS Webcam utility on your computer, making sure to grant the software the necessary permissions to access your camera. Now, power on your Canon EOS R100 and connect it to your computer using the interface cable. On your R100, set the mode dial to movie mode to optimize the video output for webcam use. Finally, open your preferred video conferencing or streaming application, go to its video settings, and select Canon EOS Webcam Utility as your camera source. And that's it. You should now be enjoying significantly improved video quality, making your online presence more impactful and professional.